Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of two great products. One is the Dunzy brand, 8 pieces of 14 gauge jumper wires Alligator clips, 2 Alligator clips. They're silicone flexible cable for electrical testing. And the second one is LMYN brand. They're 100 watt, 2 ohm and 5 ohm, 5% Wirewound Resistors with this aluminum shell heatsink. Pretty accurate. They're about small also, 2.36 by 0.8 by 0.6 length, width, and height. Let's just take a close-up of this right here. So they have little mounting holes, and you could then mount it on aluminum or on wood or on a circuit board, wherever you're going to be using it. This is great because it's 2 ohms and a large watt, 100 watts. So these could be used in servo systems. They can be used to make any test where you want to load something down. Sometimes you want to discharge a lithium polymer battery, and you want to do it with 5 ohms or 10 ohms, or you can put these in series. And then these jumper cables are very high quality. There's a red and a black one. I love how they did this. They're just a perfect size. Very, very strong clamp on there, easy to use. I'm impressed with them. 3.3 feet, very flexible. Can run a decent amount of current through them, and also a decent amount of voltage, 1500 volts or 20 amps. Now what I'm going to be using this for is I'm going to make a simple resistor bridge. I'm going to wire this up just like that and put the jumper cables on there so that I can load things down, 5 ohm, 10 ohm, 12, 14, or just 2 or 4 plus 5. You get a lot of different combinations by putting jump leads. So I'm going to be cutting these leads and putting them on there. But there's so many different applications for something like this, these resistor blocks and these cables. Use your imagination. There's so many times you want to load down a lithium polymer battery and you want to do it quickly. So a 3-cell battery, 12 volts, you're going to be able to draw a couple amps on there. And if you go to 2, you're going to be able to draw 6 amps. So it's great to have that high wattage. And also, if you notice what they did, not only is it aluminum and it's wrapped around the resistance, but you see how it's got the larger surface area by having those little tabs in and out. That's done on purpose so that you have more heat dissipation on there. Now let's just do a quick check on this. I'm going to measure the resistance just out of curiosity. I got an ohm meter right here, digital ohm meter. Let's just try the 2 ohm first. Let's put it on the outside lead right there, and on this lead right there. So that's the 2 ohm, and you can see the multimeter is going to 2 ohms. That's a good sign. Let's try the 5 ohms. Put it right there. I love these oversized tabs also, because these tabs are going to get warm also, so they've got to be oversized. And there's the 5 ohms. So you can see they're very accurate. So if you have a circuit that requires 5 ohms or 2 ohms at high power, you can use these directly, or in my case I'm going to make a test resistor box with them using these excellent cables. So after testing, what do I think about these two products? I think they're both excellent, very high quality cables, jumpers, high quality load resistors, high wattage. So whatever you're going to be using them for, there's a lot of applications where you need to have a low resistance, high power, heat dissipated device. These are excellent, and these jumper cables are excellent for working on anytime you want to jumper something in your power box in your home, or anything that you want to test, a 12-volt battery. These are great for it. I'm going to give both these products a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.